So hello students, in last session I discussed this problem x is equal to y plus p square. Okay, so when we are solving this one after finding y, so we are it is difficult to separate p, expressing p in terms of y. Okay, like previous example. Okay, so for that reason we keep this y as a function of p as it is. ಇಲ್ಲಿ y ನ as it is function of p ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು again we find the value of x in terms of p. x ಅನ್ನು in terms of p ನಲ್ಲಿ find out ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. And the complete solution of this equation is x is function of p and y is equal to some function of p. So ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು solutions ನ ಇಡ್ಬೋದು, ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಕೂಡ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ y ನ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಥವಾ p ನ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ y ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ p ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಇಂದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹೀಗೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, so and one more example of the same type is x is equal to y plus a log p. X is equal to y plus a log p. So it is also of the same type. Okay, I will solve this example. X is equal to y plus a log p. X is equal to y plus a log p. You take this equation is 1. Differentiating this with respect to y. So differentiation of x with respect to y is dx by dy. Dx by dy is equal to differentiation of 1, y is 1, plus differentiation of y with respect to y is 1, plus a into differentiation of log p is 1 by p into dp by dy. So dx by dy can be written as 1 by p. 1 by p is equal to 1 plus a by p into dp by dy. Or we can simplify this as, so now we have to solve this first order first degree differential equation. So with the methods we already known to us, so ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇದನ್ನ you can write it is 1 by p minus 1 is equal to a by p into dp by dy. Okay, so now 1 minus p by p, this can be written as 1 minus p divided by p is equal to a by p into dp by dy. Here one of this p cancels, and now we can write it is dy is equal to a divided by 1 minus p into dp. Integrating this, so its integration gives that integration of dy is equal to a into integration of 1 minus 1 by p into dp. Integration of dy is y is equal to a into integration of 1 by 1 minus p is log of 1 minus p. So this divided by minus 1, because the coefficient of p is minus 1, so you write it is minus 1 in the denominator, plus constant of integration, we take it as log c. Again this is y is equal to minus a log of 1 minus p plus log c, or you can write c, no problem. Yes, this is the one of the solution to find the another value. So you take the given expression x is equal to y plus a log p. So in this one you substitute the value of y value ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ substitute ಮಾಡೋಣ. So a log p x is equal to, so take this is 2 and this one is 1. Okay, so substituting 2 in 1. Substituting 2 in 1, we get x is equal to y plus a log p, y plus a log p. Y is minus a log of 1 minus p plus log c plus a log p. Okay, now if you take a is a common factor from first and last term of RHS. So then we have x is equal to again ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ log p minus log of 1 minus p ಬರುತ್ತೆ. We can write that is a log p by 1 minus p plus log c. Okay, so this is 3. So write the complete solution. Complete solution is, therefore complete solution is x is equal to a log p by 1 minus p plus a constant y is equal to minus a log 1 minus p plus constant. Okay, that's all. Similarly, or by using previous methods, okay, you solve this seventh problem, x is equal to p into y plus 3, and y square log y is equal to xpy plus p square. Another example, I give this as homework. You try to solve these examples. As this completes equation solvable for y, x. Okay, the same format, no changes in it. So we have to solve equation solvable for y. So how to identify whether this equation is solvable for y, solvable for x? So if the equation is solvable for y, then we can express the differential equation such that y is equal to function of p and x. Solvable for y ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ y is equal to function of p ಮತ್ತೆ x ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ p ಮತ್ತೆ x function of p x ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕಾದ್ರೆ that is the equation solvable for y ಅಂತ. Okay, so ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ? So you just write y is equal to function of x and p. Next step you write, you differentiate that with respect to x. So when you are differentiating that with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to some function of xp and dp by dx. So dy by dx na p anta ಬರೆಯುವುದು. Okay, dy by dx can be written as p, and after writing this as p, and so again you simplifying this. So if you simplifying this, so simplify ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, it is a function of xp ಅಥವಾ dp by dx ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ x ಮತ್ತೆ p ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we get one expression in the form of p and x. So as usual ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, we have to eliminate p from 1 and 2. If it is not possible to express x is ಅಥವಾ p is equal to function of x, p ನ function of x ಅಲ್ಲಿ express ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ as usually write x is equal to function of p and y is equal to function of p, and p is a parameter like previous examples. So I discussed this first problem. So y is equal to x plus 2 tan inverse of p. So y is equal to x plus 2 tan inverse of p. Write this equation. y is equal to x plus 2 tan inverse of p. Y is equal to x plus 2 tan inverse of p. To take this equation is 1. Differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So differentiation of y with respect to x is dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to 1. Differentiation of x is 1 plus 2 into differentiation of tan inverse of p is 1 by 1 plus p square. So all of you know that dy by dx can be written as dy by dx is is p. So p is equal to 1 plus 2 by 1 plus p square. Okay. So now you simplifying this, p is equal to 1 plus p square plus 2 divided by 1 plus p square. Again, yeah, we forgot to write dp by dx here. So differentiation of p with respect to x is dp by dx. This into dp by dx. Okay, this into dp by dx. Okay. Okay, I think this step is not necessary here, right? So this is not necessary. So okay, after this you write this one in the form p minus 1. So this is p minus 1 is equal to 2 by 1 plus p square into dp by dx. Okay, now you simplifying this as dx is equal to, taking cross multiplication. Okay, then dx is equal to, this is 2 divided by p minus 1 into 1 plus p square into dp. ಹೀಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so now resolve this into partial fraction. So to integrate this one, or you take its integration first. Integration of dx is equal to 2 into integration of 1 by p minus 1 into 1 plus p square, 1 plus p square into dp, isn't it? Plus constant, I will check this once again. As we write this y is equal to x plus 2 tan inverse of p, we are differentiating this. Differentiation of x is 1, differentiation of tan inverse of p is 1 by 1 plus p square into dp by dx. See, as here we shift this, we write this dy by dx is p is equal to 1 plus 2 by 1 plus p square into dp by dx, shifting this 1 to left hand side. So then 2 by 1 plus p square into dp by dx, and we just simplifying this. Okay, resolve this into partial fraction. So that is, it is a proper fraction. So now you can write it is 1 by p minus 1 into 1 plus p square can be written as a by p minus 1 plus bp plus c, bp plus c by 1 plus p square, because it's of degree 2. So now 1 is equal to, taking this cross multiplication, so then we have a into 1 plus p square plus bp plus c into p minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so now simplifying this, our intention is to find b and a c values. 1 is equal to a plus p square a plus bp square minus bp plus Cp minus C. Now you write this is 1 is equal to take p square common factor, then it is a plus b into p square. So next to take p is a common factor, plus of minus b plus c into p plus a minus c plus a minus c. Here the coefficient of p square is a plus b. So you take a plus b is equal to 0. So coefficient of p is minus b plus c. You take minus b plus c is equal to 0. And here constant is 1. So the term which is independent of p is a minus c. So a minus c is equal to 1. So now we have to solve all this. A is equal to minus b. And this is what? B is equal to C. If we substituting any of this here, so then we have, so as I am taking this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. Okay. So now from 1 and 2, which implies that, so in place of b we can write minus a, or in place of b we can write c. So this is a is equal to minus c. So a is equal to minus c. Using this in 3, using this in third expression 3. Okay. So using this in 3, so then we have, so ಇದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. If you take a is minus c, so then it is minus c is equal to 1, or minus 2c is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 1 by 2. The value of c is minus 1 by 2. Okay. So next we need to find the remaining values. If c is minus 1 by 2, b is also minus 1 by 2, and if b is minus 1 by 2, a is plus 1 by 2 according to these results. So now, okay, similarly you write so the value of c and b are same. So b value is minus 1 by 2, and a value is minus of b, that is plus 1 by 2. After finding all these a, b, c values, you write that in this one, so that is a by p minus 1. So a by g is equal to, you see this is 2 into this, 2 into this, 2 into, so what is in left hand side? It is integration of dx is equal to 2 into integration of a by p minus 1 plus bx plus c. B is minus 1 by 2, p minus 1 by 2. This by 1 plus p square, 1 plus p square, this into dp plus a constant c. Okay. So hope you understand. So this can be written as a by p minus 1 plus bp plus c. So b is minus 1 by 2, c is minus 1 by 2 into dp plus a constant c. Okay, that is x is equal to, if you multiply this throughout by 2, So then we have 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by p minus 1 into dp. And if you multiply this with 2, then it is minus integration of p by 1 plus p square into dp. Again you multiply this with 2 minus integration of 1 by 1 plus p square into dp plus a constant. Okay. So now here one small changes. Here I am multiplying 1 by 2, multiplying and dividing by 2. So because now the differentiation of denominator is in numerator, we can easily integrate this. ಇದನ್ನ integration ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ easy ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So now x is equal to its integration is log of p minus 1. Its integration is log of p minus 1 minus 1 by 2 into, now the differentiation of denominator is in numerator, so its integration is log of denominator, that is log of 1 plus p square, minus its integration is tan inverse of p, tan inverse of p plus c. This is x. As you know, it is difficult to separate or express p is a function of x, p in a function of x agi bariyodu kasta. So you keep this result as it is and try to express y in terms of p. So in terms of p nalli express ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, what is y? Y is equal to x plus 2 tan inverse of p. So using this result in 1, take this is 2, using substituting 2 in 1, we get y is equal to x means that is log of p minus 1 minus 1 by 2 into log of 1 plus p square minus tan inverse of p plus c plus 2 tan inverse of p. So that is y is equal to, so log of p minus 1 minus 1 by 2 into log of 1 plus p square, and this simplified form gives that plus tan inverse of p plus c. So therefore this 2 and 3 forms the complete solution. Therefore 2 and 3 forms complete solutions. So 2 and 3 forms the complete solution of the given differential equation. Okay. So take one more example. Yeah, so solve 16x square plus 2p square y minus p cube x is equal to 0. So I am writing this one as 2p square y, 2p square y is equal to p cube x minus 16x square. I am just taking this term to right hand side and this term to right hand side. I am keeping 2p square y as it is. Take this expression is 1. So now you write this is y is equal to, or you write 2y. 2y is equal to p cube x divided by p square minus 16x square divided by p square. Again you write this is 2y is equal to, this is px one of this p square cancels, remaining is px minus 16x square divided by p square. Differentiating this with respect to x. So differentiation of y with respect to x is 2 into dy by dx is equal to p into differentiation of x is 1. I am using product rule here, plus differentiation of p with respect to x is dy by dx, and x as it is, minus 16 into differentiation of x square is 2x divided by p square. 2x divided by p square. Again, minus 16x square, minus 16x square into, so next differentiation of 1 by p square. So when p square comes to numerator, p square numerator ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, so p to the power of minus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So its differentiation is minus 2 into p to the power minus 3, minus 2 into p to the power minus 3 into dp by dx, dp by dx. Okay, that's all. 16 by p square into differentiation of x square is 2x, minus 16x square as it is, differentiation of 1 by p square is minus 2p to the power of minus 3 into dp by dx. So next step you write, this is p, 2p, this becomes 2p, and take all the terms to left hand side, minus p, minus, minus, take this term, this is 32x by p square, x by p square with positive sign, plus 32x by p square, and take this term to left hand side, minus dp by dx into x, and minus of minus is plus, plus when it comes to left hand side it is minus, minus 16, 16 2s are 32, 32x square divided by p cube into dp by dx is equal to 0. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ p 2p minus p ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is p plus 32x divided by p square. This is the first one, and here you can take some of the factor as common. Okay, so common factor ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, so take 1 by p minus 1 by p into dp by dx is the common factor, and ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ, minus x by p into dp by dx you take it as a common factor, minus x by p into dp by dx is a common factor. So why I am choosing this as a common factor, ಯಾಕೆ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನೇ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಹೀಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು p ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ p ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗೋ ತರ ನೀವು ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೈ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪಿ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ, ಡಿ ಪಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಬರೀ ಪಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಒಂದು ಪಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪಿ ಹಾಕ್ಲೇಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಒನ್ ಪಿ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ x ಮತ್ತೆ p ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು x ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, and we are taking minus is the common factor, so it is 32x divided by ಒಂದು p outside ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು p ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. So this into dp by dx. So ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ, okay, I think this dp by dx is not necessary. So already ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದೆ. So this is equal to 0, right? So now you correct choose ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ p plus 32x by p square, p plus 32x by p square ಇದೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗೋ ತರ ನೀವು ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So now you take p plus 32x by p square is the common factor. p plus 32x divided by p square is a common factor. So then remaining here is 1 minus x by p into dp by dx, which is equal to 0. Ignoring the factor which is not containing dp by dx. dp by dx ಯಾವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ignore ಮಾಡಿ. So ignore the first factor because it is not containing dp by dx. Ignore the first factor, okay, which implies that 1 minus x by p into dp by dx is equal to 0. We have to solve this. X solve ಮಾಡೋದಂದ್ರೆ 1 is equal to right hand side ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದನ್ನ x by p into dp by dx. X terms na left side shift ಮಾಡೋಣ. dx by x is equal to dp by p. So now we have to integrate this. ಇದನ್ನ integrate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾವು integration of dx by x is equal to integration of dp by p plus a constant of integration. I am taking it is log c. Integration of 1 by x with respect to x is log x is equal to log p plus log c. So log x is equal to log of pc. So log cancels. So x is equal to pc or p is equal to x by c, which implies that p is equal to x divided by c. You take it is to substituting 2 in 1. Substituting equation 2 in 1. What equation 1 is? So equation 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿತ್ತು? So equation 1 is 16x square plus, yes, you see this 16x square plus or 2p square y is equal to p cube x minus 16x square. Okay, in this one you substitute the value of p value na substitute ಮಾಡಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. So 16x square ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, so ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು substitute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So right, if we substitute in this equation, so then we have 16x square plus 2p square y. 2p means x by c square y minus p cube x by c whole cube p cube x is equal to 0. 16x square plus 2x square by c square into y minus x to the power 4 divided by c cube is equal to 0. So c is a constant. C constant ಇದೆ. You can keep any value in that place. ಅಥವಾ c cube na ನೀವು LCM ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, if you take c cube is the LCM and bring it or multiply throughout by c cube. c cube na multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so it is 16c cube is 16c cube x square plus ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು c ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ 2x square y into c minus x to the power 4 is equal to 0. ಅಥವಾ minus x na common factor ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ, if you take minus x is a common factor, so minus x you take it as a common factor, then remaining here is x cube and remaining here is minus 2xyz or 2cxy and minus 16c cube X, I think you can take x square is the common factor. If you take x square common factor, it is just x square is remaining. C cube is, so this is x square 2 2cy x ಬರಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2cy ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 16c cube ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ 16c cube into 0. Or you write, which implies that final solution is x square minus 2cy minus 16c cube is equal to 0. X square minus 2cy minus 16c cube is equal to 0. That's all. Okay. So one more example in solvable for y is y square into 1 minus p square, y square into 1 minus p square is equal to a. You write this equation is y square is equal to a by 1 minus p square. Okay, and what is y? Y is equal to plus or minus a divided by square root of 1 minus p square. Okay, as usually you differentiate this with respect to x, and so find the value in terms of x and p. So p na substitute ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವುದು equation 1 ಗೆ. If it is not possible ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ so express y in terms or x in terms of p and y in terms of p when, and we consider p is a parameter. So okay, I just wanted to finish this session now. So again I continue one more session for solvable for y, and after that I start the remaining part as a fourth method, so Claret's equation. Thank you. Practice all these problems.